guys, yes, we're back again. Another episode of Life of a Star on your Daily Radio Primus Radio. This is the first of your girl, Abigail. You can as well call me Abby Fun. You know, we do it on this show. We talk about an artist, everything you actually don't know about the artist, everything concerning the artist, how the artist came into limelight, how people started hearing about the artist. I will basically tell you everything you need to know about the artist. So, you know, I will do it before I tell you the artist I'll be talking about today. We'll go on this short music break, and when we come back, I will reveal the artist we'll be talking about today. And the song I'll be playing now is Lighter, Self-Made. Enjoy. I will be right back.
Oluwalesi, Oluwalaita, na. Olamide don't sign the boy. Everywhere I go now, they want to smile with the boy. Shout out to those people now where they show me love. Small boy, don't turn biggie boy. Don't turn biggie boy. Oluwa Oshe, Momo Bowo Sheun Wale. Every day say me they calculate. Ola Ole. Oluwa Oshe, Momo Bowo Sheun Wale. Every day say me they calculate. Ola Ole. Mama, I made it again. Papa, I made it again. Mama, I made it, oh yeah. Papa, I made it, oh yeah. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, oh yeah. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, oh yeah. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, I'm like Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, yeah. Walk. Because my monster shop. Every day say me they hustle now. I'm heading to the top. Jimasun on Miami. Hustle out and take it slowly. You know say nobody holy. No follow them smoking folly. Oluwa Oshe, Momo Bowo Sheun Wale. Every day say me they calculate. Ola Ole. Oluwa Oshe, Momo Bowo Sheun Wale. Every day say me they calculate. Ola Ole. Mama, I made it again. Papa, I made it again. Mama, I made it again. Papa, I made it again. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, oh na. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, oh yeah. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, I'm like Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, Jimasun on Miami, hustle like I'm taking slowly. Don't say nobody holy, don't follow them smoky poly. Walk. Because my monster shop. If they say me they hustle now, I'm heading to the top. Oluwa Oshe, Momo Bowo Sheun Wale. Every day say me they calculate. Ola Ole. Oluwa Oshe, Momo Bowo Sheun Wale. Every day say me they calculate. Ola Ole. Mama, I made it again. Papa, I made it, oh yeah. Mama, I made it, oh yeah. Papa, I made it, oh yeah. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, oh na. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, oh yeah. Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya, I'm like Kashama Jumaya, Kashama Jumaya.
Welcome back from that short music break, yeah? Welcome back. So, the artist I'll be talking about today on today's episode of Love of a Star is actually Lighter, yeah? I just played this song, Self-Made by Lighter. So, the artist we're talking about today is Lighter. Lighter real name is Lawal Okoyemi Raimi, but is professionally known as Lighter. He is a Nigerian singer and songwriter. He became well known after his hit single titled Time, which he featured one of the Nigeria's well-known artists, Olamide, popularly known as Bado. So, Lighter was born on July 4, 1998. So, Lighter is basically 22 years old now. But if you actually see his stature, this guy is so short. Like, I can't actually use boy for him. I actually wanted to use boy before, but he's over 18. He's 22, so he's a guy. So, Lighter is actually 22 years old, but he has a very small stature. Very, very small stature. So, and his genre of music is Afrobeat and pop music. So, Lighter was formerly signed to YBNL, which is owned by Olamide Bado. But there was an issue between them. We actually don't know what actually happened between them, because we actually don't know the real story, because everybody just coming out to say their own side of the story. This will come out and say Lighter did this to Olamide, and then another person will say Olamide did this to Lighter. So we actually don't know the real gist. So Lighter actually left YBNL, and now he's formally signed to Malian Music recently. Just recently, he was signed to Malian Music, which is owned by Naira Marley. Lighter started his musical career fully in 2018. So that was when we heard about Lighter, the likes of Picasso, Sinoliski, Mohbad, and then Picasso was also signed to YBNL then, but we actually don't know anything about him anymore. But we're actually not talking about Picasso today, we are talking about Lighter. So Lighter started his music career in 2018, and he's been relevant till now. Okay, so Lighter, I think he likes the concept of the Korean pop idols group, the likes of GOT7, BTS, EXO, iKON, Bangtan Boys. So Lighter actually stole one of the GOT7 concept, which is Just Right. There's a song titled Just Right by GOT7, and then he also stole Boy With Love by BTS. I think I kind of like their style, because I also like their style. I do, yeah. If you should check my phone, you will see like a whole lot of Korean songs on it. Yeah, I'm obsessed with Korea, so I am with Lighter on this one. So Lighter is a native of Kwara State, but he grew up in Ajegunle, and he was a member of Ilekeu, a music group at his local mosque. His record deal with YBN Nation was made public on 3 February 2018. Lighter's breakthrough single with YBN Nation titled Time, features vocals by Olamide, was released on 14 February 2018. That was when Lighter was signed to YBN Records. So in 2019, Lighter left YBNL due to contractual and personal issues we actually don't know about, but this is all we know about it. After exiting YBNL, he signed with Doro, released the Killer Tunes produced track Mona Lisa on 12th July 2019. Yeah, my Mona Lisa, oh, Mona Lisa. So that was the song. The features for Mona Lisa was directed by Director K, amassed over 500,000 views within a month after its release. So a few weeks after the release of Mona Lisa, Davido reached out to Lighter about recording an official remix with him. You know Davido now, if he feels an artist, he just reach out to them like, let's make a remix of this song. So he did the same thing with Lighter. So following the agreement, Davido and Lighter flew to Dhaka for the remix and video shoot. So the remix of Mona Lisa was released on 30 August 2019. Elias Light of Rolling Stone magazine described the song as a handsome contradiction with fierce expressions of yearning. So the accompanying music video for the remix was directed by Director K. Lighter gained exposure following his collaboration with Davido on the remix. So Lighter released the Afrobeat track Worry on 6 December 2019. That was actually my jam. I like that song. Oh, I don't worry too much. It was produced by Killer Tunes. The features for Worry was shot and directed by Simplicity Feature Studios in London. So, talking about Lighter's existing YBNL. Reports about Lighter's exit from YBNL surfaced after Olamide unfollowed him on Instagram. In May 2019, Lighter confirmed his exit from YBN Nation on Naija Loaded TV. He said although he was paid between 50,000 and 80,000 for shows, he never had a written contract with the label. Olamide issued a statement to Guardian Life saying YBNL has a promotion calendar that Lighter refused to follow. So on Tuesday 11th August 2020, Naira Marley announced the signing of Lighter to his music label Malian Music. So Lighter is one of the Malian crew now. Lighter confirming the new development wrote, I'm excited to be joining my new family, Malian Music. Thank you, my president at Naira Marley, for giving me this amazing opportunity. So on Friday, 14th August 2020, which is this month, this year, he released his debut single under Malian Music titled Hold Me Down. So we'll go on this short music break and I will be playing Hold Me Down by Lighter for your listening pleasure. Enjoy. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Lighter, yeah. Skuri maganagi. Idi dadare, yeah. Alani baso mania. Bend low and go down, mommy. Dance for me on my love. How many be your body? Aye, ole to hell. Anything to make you happy. I get money, show more. I'ma get why you for me. Aye, ole to hell. Oh, just for me if you want to dance. Oh. I know what you need, I know what you like. Oh. You know, say time wait for no man. I'm gonna give me chance. Oh, just for me if you want to dance. Oh. I know what you need, I know what you like. Oh. You know, say time wait for no man. I'm gonna give me chance. I just need you to hold me down. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know you want to catch cruise and you back to me, I know. And if you want it part two, no they kaku, jekafo. Sisi tani ko fewa, don't shaka kiri. Oh one lewa, yeah yeah, oh waki. Oh just for me if you want to dance. Oh. I know what you need, I know what you like. Oh. You know say time wait for no man. Oh. I'm gonna give me chance. Oh just for me if you want to dance. Oh. I know what you need, I know what you like. Oh. You know, say time wait for no man. I'm gonna give me chance. I just need you to hold me down. 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 Yeah, yeah,
Short music break. I hope you all enjoyed that song. So we've been talking about Lighter since morning, and then how Lighter is this YBNL. I signed a new record deal with Naira Marley, Malian Music, everything you need to know about Lighter basically. So Lighter has an EP drop in 2019. He titled the EP ID. So he has singles like Mona Lisa, Mama, Self-Made, You, Pure Water. Okay, so this Pure Water song actually is from a movie titled Pure Water. The movie is created, written, produced by Jennifer Funke Akindele. Sorry. So in the movie, it stars Lighter, and in the movie he was a pure water seller. So anytime he wants to sell pure water, he always composes a song for it. So people, because of that, people patronize him. So he came across a woman and like a scout. So the Uber scouted him, started training him to become a professional artist. So I Martin Fuse get to know about him. So Martin Fuse signed him under his. You all should just go and check the movie out. You all will actually like the movie. So Pure Water, like let me give you the